Get ready for a musical revolution. Apple Music is now streaming across Tata Play platforms, offering an exclusive and exciting free trial opportunity. But here's the twist: this partnership is more than just a simple collaboration. It's a game-changer for music enthusiasts and Tata Play subscribers alike. Tata Play has teamed up with Apple Music, and the result is a fantastic deal for all. Subscribers can now enjoy up to 4 months of free access to Apple Music's vast library, with no strings attached. This means millions of users nationwide can now explore and indulge in a world of music like never before. Here's the breakdown: new users will receive a generous 4-month complimentary subscription, while returning users who are eligible can enjoy a 3-month free trial. After this initial period, the service will be available at an incredibly affordable rate of just 119 Indian rupees per month. But what does this mean for Tata Play subscribers? Well, it's a music lover's dream come true. With this integration, subscribers gain access to Apple Music's massive catalog, boasting over 100 million songs, carefully curated playlists, and live radio. And the best part? It's all seamlessly integrated into the Tata Play ecosystem, ensuring a smooth and immersive experience, regardless of whether you're streaming via DTH, OTT, or broadband. Pallavi Puri, the Chief Commercial and Content Officer at Tata Play, emphasizes the value of this partnership. This promotional offer is a reflection of our dedication to providing our subscribers with more value and convenience. We're thrilled to offer our customers an easy gateway to Apple Music's rich audio experience across all Tata Play platforms. Activating this offer is simple. Subscribers can use promo codes to redeem the free trial, which will then seamlessly transition into a direct Apple Music subscription once the trial period ends. Shalini Poddar, the Director of Content and Services at Apple India, highlights the significance of this collaboration. Our expanded partnership with Tata Play is a significant milestone. We're excited to deliver an even more immersive and personalized audio experience to Tata Play's audience and bring Apple Music to an even wider customer base. So, are you ready to dive into this musical adventure? Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to explore Apple Music's vast world of music. And this is the part most people miss: the controversy. Some might argue that free trials are just a marketing tactic, but with this partnership, Tata Play and Apple Music are truly delivering on their promise of value and convenience. What do you think? Is this a win-win situation for music lovers and subscribers? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.